Alright guys, let's get all cozy because in today's video we're going to talk about 5 different money-making apps and websites that I've tested before that actually paid me. In case you're new to my channel, this is a part 3 of my ongoing series of videos where I cover different money-making apps and websites that I've tried before that actually ended up paying me, and I show you payment proof. We cover all kinds of apps, from get paid to types of apps to cashback apps to investing apps to all kinds of different ways that you can make extra money on the side. So if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Anyways, let's jump into it. So number 1 on our list today is Etsy. And we all know that Etsy can be a great place to start making additional income by selling both physical and digital products. And so a few years ago, I came up with an idea to start selling digital resume templates because I wanted to generate additional passive income. And the reason why I picked resume templates was because, as you guys may know, I have a background in recruiting. I was a professional recruiter in the big tech space for quite a few years, and I thought that resume templates went well with my niche at the time. And so I had my shop live for several months, during which time I ended up making multiple sales. That was the first time I realized that just because something is a passive income doesn't mean that it doesn't require any work at all. Just like with any online business, Etsy does require things like optimizing your listings, promoting it to people, driving traffic, paying for ads, and all those things. And at the time, I was like in my prime girl boss era, was like juggling so many different projects, as well as, also working as a recruiter at Amazon. And I just didn't really have the time to maintain my Etsy shop, which is why I ended up sunsetting it. However, once again, during that time, I was able to make several sales. Here are my payment proofs. I'm actually currently considering reopening my shop and adding more digital products. So that's something that you guys are curious about and want me to make a video about, let me know in the comments down below. And so Etsy was my very first experience with owning an e-commerce business, which then led to many of my other ventures such as Amazon, FBA, Walmart Marketplace, print on demand, and more. Now, one of the best decisions that I made back in the day was to make my business official by turning it into an LLC, which opened the door to so many benefits such as business funding, tax write-offs, and many other business-only resources. And I know that filing for your LLC can be intimidating, which is why it is so helpful to use services such as Zen Business, who happen to be the sponsor of today's video. Now, I was actually a paying customer of Zen Business for years before they reached out to me, which is why I was so excited about this partnership. Zen Business is a platform that simplifies the LLC formation process by handling all the paperwork, filing requirements, legal compliance, and other intimidating steps needed to officially establish your business. They offer step-by-step guidance, registered agent services, operating agreement templates, and ongoing support to keep your LLC in good standing. And thanks to Zen Business, I can focus on my business without ever having to worry about fines or compliance issues. Plus, I know my personal assets are protected in case something was to go wrong, because life is hard enough these days. Plans start at just $0 plus state fees. So if you're ready to take your entrepreneurial journey to the next level, make sure to go to zenbusiness.com/ChristinaSideHustles to get started. Zen Business is a financial technology company and is not a bank. Banking services are provided by ThreadBank, member FDIC. Anyways, number 2 on our list is TeePublic. So in case you've never heard of TeePublic before, it is a print-on-demand marketplace where artists and regular people like you and me can sell custom designs on products like clothing, home decor, and accessories, earning money from each sale passively. So earlier this year, my husband let me know that he wanted to create a passive side hustle, and I actually suggested that he create a print-on-demand store because he has a pretty interesting sense of humor and he's very creative overall. And when I say a great sense of humor, he's very boy funny, and you can see it in his designs. So that's when he ended up launching a shop called Desert Neons, where he started selling different t-shirt designs. So probably for the first few months, we didn't see any sales at all from his TeePublic shop or any of the other print-on-demand shops. And that kind of stayed that way up until about like a couple of weeks ago, because we are in the Halloween season, and one of his t-shirt designs, again, a very boy funny one, actually became very popular and started generating sales. Obviously, once again, when you're starting a new shop, it is really hard to like break into this world, but once you start consistently making great designs, print on demand has a great potential to earn you full-time income. Anyways, here's a payment proof. In case you guys are also interested in showing some creativity and selling physical products but don't want to take on the risk of buying inventory and investing a ton of money up front, print on demand could be a really great business idea to start. I actually created an entire print-on-demand tutorial video, which you can check down below. All right, so number 3 and 4 on my list, I'm actually going to merge them together, are Skillshare and Skill Success. So in case you didn't know, both of these platforms have online learning communities that offer different courses taught by professionals where users can either take classes and learn new skills or earn income by teaching their own courses. So in the last video, I actually covered Udemy, which is probably one of the leading online course marketplaces. And I shared with you guys that back in 2021, I created a little mini course. It was only about 40 minutes long where I taught people different interview skills using my background in recruiting. So creating and selling online courses was probably my very first taste into this whole passive income world. I started making with courses before I ever got monetized on YouTube or even knew about affiliate marketing and things like that. So when it comes to online courses, something that you really need to remember is that your earnings really depend on like the topic of your course, the country that you're based in, your audience, the quality of your course and everything like that. So here are some of my payment proofs from Skillshare and these are ones from Skill Success. Again, that course did not make me rich overnight or at all. However, I'm still really glad that I decided to launch it because I'm actually still making passive income every single month from this course, even though it's been like 3 years. I'm also really glad that I decided to take the same course and start selling it on multiple platforms because that pretty much tripled my income. And in case you guys want to know exactly how much I made from the same course my first year, I did film a video a couple of years ago, which I'll also include down below, where I show exactly how much money I made from each one of these platforms. All right, and then last but not least is Upside, which is a cashback app. So I briefly covered Upside in my free cash video where I tested this app for the first time, but pretty much Upside is an app that offers cashback on everyday purchases like gas, groceries, and dining at participating locations, helping users save money. So I personally only tested this one on gas so far. However, I'm really glad that I discovered this app because if you live in the US like myself, you know that gas prices are out of control. And that's why apps like Upside can really help you to make some of that gas money back. So the amount of cash back that you earn really depends on, you know, obviously how much gas you buy, like how big your gas tank is and how often you refill it and everything like that, as well as which gas station and what participating location that you are at. Anyways, the app will really show you again, like how much cash back you can get, how much you can expect per gallon and everything like that. So another thing I really like doing is that I pretty much stack up a lot of my rewards and I use the Upside app as well as some of my credit cards that also give me like cash back or points on gas purchases, and that way I'm actually able to, you know, make some points and extra cash on the purchases that I was going to make anyways, like buying gas. So if you are interested in offsetting your gas expenses, I'll include the link down below. Anyways guys, I hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, I think you're gonna like part 1 and part 2 as well. I'll include the entire playlist down below. And in general, if you enjoy content about side hustles, different ways that you can make money online and things like that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!